If you think this is just another chicken pastry, you are about to be very disappointed, because once you rack it open, you get creamy chicken, melted mozzarella, and the crispiest golden crust. And then you dunk it into homemade garlic chili aioli. Yes, this is dangerously delicious. We are starting with chicken breast and thighs because using both give you the best texture and way more flavor. Into the pot goes an onion, a piece of green bell pepper, bay leaves, coriander seeds, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and enough water to cover everything. Let it gently simmer for about 40 minutes. Don't rush it. That broth is packed with flavor and the chicken stays juicy. Once it's cool enough to handle, shred everything by hand. The texture is so much better than chopping it. Now for one of my favorite tricks. Slice 2 onions nice and thin and cook them over medium heat. Once the moisture cooks off, add a little oil. When they start turning golden, pour in a splash of boiling water. Let it evaporate, then do it again and again. This little trick softens the onions while helping them caramelize without burning. Once the onions are beautifully caramelizing, season them with a pinch of salt. Adding the salt at the end helps them caramelize faster. The result is sweet, jammy onions with incredible flavor. Add fresh garlic and cook it for only about 10 seconds, just until it becomes fragrant. Any longer and you'll lose that fresh garlic flavor. Now toss in the shredded chicken. Season with smoked paprika and black pepper, then let everything come together for a minute. Turn off the heat before adding the cream cheese. That way it stays rich, creamy and silky instead of separating. Finish it with fresh scallions and plenty of chopped parsley. Mix together, and if you have time, let this filling rest in fridge for a few hours or even overnight. The flavor gets so much deeper. It's absolutely worth the wait. I'm using ready-made pastry dough to keep things simple. Add a spoonful of filling, a cube of mozzarella right in the center, seal it tightly, then cream the edges with a fork. Not only does it look better, it also keeps all the cheesy goodness exactly where it belongs. Fry them in hot oil over medium heat. Don't crank the heat too high. You want the crust to become deeply golden while the filling heats all the way through. Flip once both sides develop that beautiful color. If you enjoyed this hot, crispy, golden brown pastries, don't forget to share this video with your friends and check out more amazing recipes on my channel. I've already shared a delicious meat-filled pastry recipe before, so make sure to watch that one too. And here's another small trick. Don't place them on paper towels. Use a wire rack instead. The air flows keep the crust crispy instead of trapping steam underneath. Now let's make a quick homemade mayonnaise. Into a bowl goes 1 room temperature egg, mustard, fresh lemon juice, and salt. Start mixing, then slowly drizzle in the oil until it transforms into a thick, creamy mayo. Fresh mayo really does make a difference here. Keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. For the aioli, mash fresh garlic into a smooth paste, then mix it with homemade mayo, sweet chili sauce, smoked paprika, black pepper, a little chili for heat, fresh lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of salt. Let it chill for about an hour. You can make it while the pastries are frying so everything is ready at the same time. This homemade garlic chili aioli is creamy, garlicky, slightly smoky, and just the right amount of spicy. Honestly, I dip just about anything in it. This is comfort food done right. Golden, crispy, and cheesy. If you loved homemade comfort food, hit that subscribe button. There is plenty more coming. Enjoy!